Hey guys, what's going on? Still back doing some digital cards, this time Marvel Collect again. And the reason is I've been out on the road doing some stuff. Probably gonna upload some other card videos, I guess in real life card videos starting Saturday for next couple days. Plus pulling some winners, stuff that I never got around to. But I've been out traveling, so I'll do some Marvel Comics vintage panels, and the reason is this one is Spider-Man, obviously one of the more popular characters. And then I still got to spin the wheel at the end. Shang-Chi, Gwen Stacy, Karnak, Captain Marvel, and Jessica Jones. And I forgot to mention the odds are 1 in 5 of getting vintage panels 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, or 17. Oh wait, vintage panel 1 and 17. I mean, sorry, number 17. I wonder if that means I should do the other one. Anyways, vintage panels 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, or 17. I think I might do the 3001 instead. Because I don't think I have any of these. And there's no point in shooting for just number 17 if I don't even have the other ones. Hulk, Misty Knight, Hawkeye, and Crossbones. You do get one extra card with the 5,000, but the odds are the same, so... Hellcat, Daredevil, Bullseye. Nova, Dr. Octopus, Kazar, A-Bomb. I just kind of figured the reason is I don't have any panels, I don't think. War Machine, Spider-Woman, Captain Marvel, and Kingpin. Standard pack duplicate. What does that mean? Catch-up pack. I guess the catch-up one, because I don't think I have any of these. Is that one of them? No, probably not. Spider-Man, Kazar, symbiote suit, Spider-Man. Sorry, I'm like so distracted. I'm still confused with what's going on. Iron Patriot, Ghost Rider, Iron Fist, and Moon Knight. You would think you would get more vintage panels since there's more you can get rather than just 17. Speedball, She-Hulk, Ghost Rider, Mary Jane. Nova, Deathlock, Wasp, Hawkeye. Oh, there it goes. So that's a new one. Alright, Ghost Rider seeks vengeance. That's pretty awesome. That was worth the coins. Hulk, Odin, Hyperon. Of course I'll get a duplicate. That's so common. But I think I can either trade or sell it or something. I don't know. Hopefully. Spider-Man, Jessica Jones, Malekith, and Bucky. Winter Soldier, Crossbones, Maria Hill, Beta Ray Bill. I wonder if, let's see, I think that was pack number 10 abouts, if I'm not mistaken. Kazar, She-Hulk, Black Widow, Amadeus Cho. I kind of wish they would have, I don't know, Gwen Stacy, Vulture, Kingpin. Silver Sable, Venom, Cloak, oops, Spider-Woman. Luke Cage, Al, Chameleon, Iron Fist. Black Bolt, She-Hulk. See, now this is so annoying. It's like you almost want to play the app, but when this like happens, like it's just super annoying. Let me go to the 17 ones. Red Hulk, Baron Zemo, Doctor Strange, Luke Cage, and Bucky, and they're all duplicates. I believe it was all duplicates. It's like you want to play the app. Man Wolf, that's pretty awesome. Misty Knight, Amadeus Cho, Mandarin, and Al. Crossbones, Madam Mask, Dum Dum Duggan, Odin, Hercules. Ghost Rider, Hercules, Dr. Voodoo, Better Way Bill, Quake. Let's see. Iron Spider, Medusa, Maria Hill, Ant-Man, Fin Fang Foom. So that was pretty cool. I'm just going to keep going until I get number 17. I'm sure it's going to be like 1 in 30 chances. I know those 1 in 5 are kind of a little bit inflated, or whatever the word is for lie. Madam Mask, Rescue, Speedball, Dagger, Craven the Hunter. Fabricated, I guess, is the best word. Oh, there we go. See, the short beats waiting for a bus. Oh, that's pretty fun. Iron Spider, Mysterio, Chameleon, Adam Warlock. So I'll do about maybe 3 more. Vulture. So that's a cool one. Hulk Angle. So I did get a couple of them, so I'm up to what, 3 with a bunch of duplicates. I think I have enough for just 2 more. I don't want to go too crazy. Carnage, She-Hulk, Captain Marvel, Dum Dum Duggan. Thanos, Ant-Man, Kang, Luke. Actually, you know what? Maybe I should go until I get 1 more. I want to be a duplicate. Hyperion, Iron Patriot, Luke Cage, Nova. Spider-Man, Cloak, Doctor Strange, Green Goblin. Yeah, I'll probably just end it with this one. So far, so good. That's cool too. That's Iron Man. Maybe I should use that as a thumbnail. Screenshot it. Madam Mask, Hercules, Dr. Octopus. Alright, so that's it for packs. I am gonna claim a couple things. I think of a spin. Free coins. 2,000. We got 3 spins. Spiderwoman. Spider-Man. And hopefully I get a blue one. Oh, I think it's green. Oh, okay, blue. Okay, Jessica Jones. It's funny because that's definitely one of the better ways to get the higher cards. I should be able to claim some coins. I opened 15 cards. I opened 1 pack. I got 40 cards. I spun the wheel. And I think I'll do a separate video for this one. I'll leave it at that for now. I'll see you guys later. Thanks.